Buildstash is a new way to manage all your software binaries and steer them through release. Here's what it looks like. We've got our list of applications in development. These can be for really any platform you can think of, whether mobile or desktop apps, XR, Linux distros, games consoles, RTOS, whatever. Let's jump into an example app we have in development here. We can see all the builds that have been sent into Buildstash for this app, all neatly organized into streams, by platform and labels, making it easy to keep things tidy and find past builds. And if we open an example build, we can see all the information about it, both extracted from the build package itself, but also important context like git commit, CI run, related issues, and so on. You can also attach related metadata files like build logs and SBOMs to keep them organized with the build. Now, say we want to group some builds together under a release. Well, say for example, this app has a latest iOS and Android build and a macOS desktop build. Well, we can group all those together, add some release notes, select which distribution groups we want to send this out to, and away it goes. And when it comes to sharing your builds and releases, there's actually a few ways, which I'll cover real quickly now. You can create distribution groups to mass notify testers or whoever, letting them know there's a new release and with the download link right in the email. You can obviously control permissions within your workspace itself to limit what collaborators have access to what. And you can create an instant Google Drive style share link to send out to anyone. A cool feature is also, as this is an iOS build, I can get a QR code to scan on my device, which will guide me through installing to my mobile with full support for ad hoc and enterprise distribution. We'll soon even be rolling out custom branded portals, which you can host on your own website to share your builds and releases either publicly or in a shared space with a client or whoever. Needless to say as well, we integrate with the tools you already use, including popular CI/CD platforms like GitHub Actions or Jenkins, as well as our simple web uploader, ensuring we can capture your builds and maintain context wherever you make them. So this is just a taste of the Buildstash platform. We're building so much more, from local file syncing to QA sign-off, direct publishing to distribution platforms. I'm really excited to share it with you today, and a taste of our vision to transform how software teams collaborate from build to release. You can get signed up today to try it out at buildstash.com. Thanks.